What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to use the payment function in Microsoft Excel. So here we have an example of a loan with a present value of $5,500 that's being paid off in 5 years with a annualized rate of 7%. So to use the payment function equals PMT, the first argument is the rate, which is the rate per period. For this example, it's an annual period, so we're just going to reference the cell. And PER is the number of payments. So again, this is annual, so we're just going to reference the term cell. Present value is what the value of the note is right now, which is $5,500. Now the next few arguments are optional, as you can tell by them being in brackets. So for example, future value, it defaults to being 0, but if it's more than 0, then you can have a future value as well. And type is just basically when the payment is going to be made. So if the payment is going to be made at the end of the period, it's going to be 0, which is what it defaults to. But if the payment is going to be at the beginning of the period, it is 1, which is something that you can choose. For this option, we're just going to have 0, which is what it defaults to. And as you can see, the payment amount is $1,341. So as you can see, if we adjust the future value, for example, to 500, the payment amount goes up. Also, if you adjust the interest rate, the payment amount goes up as well. So another note, if you wanted this to be monthly instead of annualized, for example, looking at the arguments. So let's say you wanted this to be monthly instead. If you wanted it monthly, you have to get the rate function. You have to get the rate component, divide that by 12, the number of periods that times 12, because the monthly rate is for every single month, and there are 12 periods in a month. And this is what your monthly payment would be. And just in case you wanted to see what the function looked like again. So with that being said, I really hope that you all found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment, as any support is extremely helpful for the channel. And let me know what you think. Hope you all have a great day.